Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. I'm finally doing this paper pumpkin video. This is a subscription from Stampin' Up every month where they send you card materials. I'm going to be sharing some more information about this, hopefully within the next few days. And, some information and, how can I say, maybe a giveaway subscription for 1 month though. I'm just going to be prayerful about how I should go about doing it. But I wanted to do a card, and depending upon what's in this kit, because I forgot and I don't feel like looking on a thing, I'm going to probably do a card, but if not, I'll do it another time because I am kind of tired today. After work, and I have a paper due, and I just need to rest. Okay, so let me hold on 1 second. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, it's this one. Okay. Hey, it is the ice cream one. That's so cool. Okay, I don't want to mess it up. Let me tell you the name. I'm so excited. So cool. It's the April kit. I thought that I was going to get the May kit or something. Because I forgot, like, it's something with ordering it. The time that you order it. Oh, I'm sorry. And so, hold on. Let me move this here. Let me move it this way. Okay, so it has... Oh, I get a block. I got the basics. Okay, so I get a block here. Acrylic block. Yippee! So happy for another acrylic block. Bermuda Bay. I don't think I have that color. A Stampin' Up spot. Okay. Then I get these beautiful stamps. Oh my God. You are so cool. Way to go. Happy birthday. Hey there. And it had an ice cream and a watermelon slice and an element. And I like that because I could do a lot of things with this. And, it's connected to summer. So it says, it came with this card. Thanks for choosing. Paper Pumpkin Designer Series paper. Okay, it's showing the paper. It got paper that goes with this. With the yummy paper. That looks good. I have that right now. So now I'm going to open it up. I like how this is packaged too. I like packaging. I just think it's so nice. I'm going to reuse this paper. So I ain't going to wreck it. Hold on, let me take it out, this stuff out, because I'm not trying to wreck this paper. 1 minute. This is some good paper. Reuse, recycle. Okay. Oh, the Earth. Yesterday was Earth Day. I missed it. So let me take this out the box and put the box to the side. So, I wonder if it comes with a... Okay, so now, let me open this here. Let's see. So, Okay, so, good. So I'm gonna mail out some cards. Doing that. Okay, so they do have, what I like is, let me go with this first. And there's some elements here. 1 minute. I want to put everything here and then show it afterwards. So, look, so it does have, how to embellish. You see that right there? That's pretty. Oh, and some step-by-step directions for some cards. Oh my God, I'm so happy to get this. Okay, and of course you can use your own creativity, but I do want to try to make a card that looks like this. Okay, I might have to do this tomorrow because I don't want to rush through it. And no, it got so okay. Let's go over the elements. So what we got here, it tells you what the kit includes. All right, and this kit was $20 something. This is a lot of stuff for $20 something. Um, so we have the Bumblebees Baker's Twine. This, let me check it off. So we have the Bumblebees Baker's Twine, right? We have that. Let me leave it in view. Hold on. That's in view. Right here. And then we have the So Cool Photopolymer Stamp Set. That's this. Right? I think this is just extra. I don't see it in here. Then we have the Bermuda Bay Classic Stampin' Spot. Okay, so we have those things right here. And so we have the printed envelopes. So here are envelopes. Oh, they are so pretty. Oh my goodness. And how many did I get? Okay, let's count. I'm counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. 12 cards. Right? So I'm going to put that here. The 12 envelopes. There's the 12 envelopes. Oh my god, these cards are so, oh my goodness, it's so cute. Alright, so printed envelopes. And then we have the printed card bases. So that is nice because these are the actual cards. Okay. See, I didn't know that. These are the actual cards. Alright. Looky. Oh my god, it's too cute. Oh my god. That is too cute. Oh my goodness. Too cute. Just too cute. I believe that I can sell like what I have. So I'm gonna find out. Because I could, you know how I know with some of these kits, I'm not gonna be making all the cards, so I could probably split my kit and share it with someone that wants to purchase some items. But they may not want to purchase the whole kit, but they may want to purchase some items from me, some of the cards, and then I'll just figure out a fair price point. Um, so yeah, so that's those, and then I have three of these cards, and my hands, y'all, it's just so inky. It's just leave it. Today I was looking at one of the videos. I was like, I don't like this, but you know what? That's what happens when you mess with a lot of paint and inks and all that stuff. What can you do? And so, because I don't only use stickers, I be using all kinds of paint and like alcohol inks and what is this? Ink pads. So here's these watermelons. It's so nice. Oh my god, it's so nice. Okay, and then we have this right here, the rainbow. It's beautiful. I really like this. It's really unique. That's what I really like about it. And I could use this as a Bible journaling. I already have some ideas popping in my head as I was going. Flipping through this. Oh, nice. For the happy birthday. Way to go. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Sorry, I'm all yawning like that. So, let me check that off. The printed card bases. Okay. And then here are the die cut stickers. That's really nice. Okay. Got the die cut stickers. Then the printed. Oh. Okay. And now we got the Glimmer Die Cuts. I think this is it. Yeah. These are Glimmer Die Cuts. You can see basically on the back. You can see it a little better. Where the cut is. You see? You can see that? Where the cut is. Especially right here. But over here is glimmer. So you're not going to see like the perforation. So that's that. Let me... Then a wide die cut labels. Here's some... oh, right here. The white die cut labels. Nice. Right, and then we have... Oh, okay. So then we have the... I like this chipboard. This is good for a journal. To make a journal. Oop, I'm putting that right there. Alright, and so here are the labels. So we found the labels. Yep. And then we have the adhesive dots. Here are some adhesive dots. And dimensionals. This is such a cute such a cute kit. Oh my goodness. I fell off. Y'all, I started thinking about something else while I was saying that. Oh Lord. Okay, time to turn in. It's early, but I gotta lay down. I'm already, my schedule is already crunched today, and at this point it's like almost feeling like really just tapped out, and I know better. I'm not gonna push myself until I burn out. I already know if I don't stop, that's right around the corner. Okay. So insanity is doing the same thing over and expecting different results. Nobody got time for that. I don't want to be insane in the membrane. Insane. That's an old song. Let me not sing that. That's an old. I don't even know if that song is fully bad. I just know that it used to be like insane in the membrane, but I don't want to sing it and then it's something crazy. I don't know. But I don't want to be insane in the membrane, so like I said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results when it comes to negative stuff, right? I'm talking about negativity. I don't want to keep doing negativity. If I know something just, it's not good for me, I need to stop in the name of love. Okay. So that's the paper pumpkin kit. For April. Everything is in there. Okay. So I'm going to leave some information with my host code and, my website, link to Paper Pumpkin in the event that you are interested. And I like to do something when I show something, but I'm just too tired tonight. I just can't do it. And actually not night, but this late afternoon. So maybe I know not Sunday and tomorrow. Like I said, I got a paper due, so I probably won't be able to do that until Monday, unless I have a little bit of time on Saturday, and we shall see. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.